So what you have to do, you have to copy down all the hard words, and then exercise after the hard words you have to write meaning from this workbook. Okay, lesson number 13, and now we will discuss about the exercises. Okay, first question number 1 is complete the following. The Sultan was a, this same sentence you have to find it out from the textbook, and Sultan was a good ruler. The Qazi was an honest and upright man. The guard refused to let the officer go inside the palace. The officer could not return without serving the summons. Okay, now second yes or no question. Did the Sultan want to kill the widow's son? No, because he accidentally wounded him, na? जानबूझ के नहीं मारा, तो no. Our answer is no. Did the Sultan have a great regard for the law? Yes, he respected the law. Was the Qazi an honest man? Yes, Qazi was an honest man. Now pairs बनाने के आपको bows and arrows, cup and saucer, needle and thread, needle ने सुई, thread ने धागा, shoes and socks, shoes हमेशा socks और shoes साथ में होते हैं. Give opposite word. Eastern, western, inside, outside, honest, dishonest, enter, exit. Now आपको articles a and the articles के बारे में we have to fill up the correct articles on the correct place. तो the Qazi was an honest and upright man. He sent an officer to summon the Sultan to his court. When the officer reached the palace, the guard stopped him. The officer was now in a fix. He could not return without serving the summons to the Sultan. The Qazi would not take him back. Now assignment 2. Why was the Sultan surprised? When the Sultan heard the loud untimely call for the prayer, he was greatly surprised. Was the officer successful in serving the summons? Yes, the officer was successful in serving the summons. Now again yes no questions hai. Page number 40 workbook. Did the officer give the summons to the Sultan? Yes. Did the Sultan appear in the Qazi's court? Yes. Did the Qazi stand up when the Sultan entered the courtroom? No. Now adding ly. Loud, loudly, eager, eagerly, immediate, immediately, time, timely. इसमें there is no problem. Just you have to add ly. जो same word है उसमें same word you write it and add ly. Then opposite words. Untimely, timely, appear, disappear, respect, disrespect, and sharp, blunt. Sharp यानी एकदम जिससे कि तुरंत हार्ट कट जाता है अपना एकदम sharp, उसका opposite है blunt. Then again yes no questions. Was the Qazi's judgment fair? Yes. Did the Sultan obey the law? Yes. Was the Sultan happy with the Qazi? Yes. Now give reason. The Sultan hid the sword under his robe. The Sultan hid the sword under his robe to behead the Qazi in case if he has hesitated to carry out his orders. सुल्तान ने जो ये सोड है वो क्यों रखा था? टू behead the Qazi. अगर वो अपनी ड्यूटी से हटता था तो he must have beheaded the Qazi. The Qazi hid a whip under the cushion. The Qazi hid a whip under the cushion to whip the Sultan. उस काजी ने क्यों रखा था whip? To whip the Sultan in case he had disobeyed the law. If the Sultan did not apologize, अगर apologize नहीं करते थे, वो fine नहीं भरते, तो he must have whipped him. Whipped पता है ना आपको? Then the widow was satisfied. The widow was satisfied with the judgment because she felt that the offender Sultan who had done something wrong had been punished. उसको जो सुल्तान थे, being a sultan, he got his punishment. So for that the widow was satisfied with the judgment. Everyone praised the Sultan and the Qazi. Everyone praised the Sultan and the Qazi because both did their duty honestly. दोनों ने अपना अपना work जो sincerely अच्छे से किया. इसलिए everyone, those who are present there, they praised them. Then opposite words: accepted, rejected, present, absent, satisfied, dissatisfied, obeyed, disobeyed. Okay. Now with this we have come to an end of this exercises. Now open-ended question: what do you think about the Qazi and the Sultan? आप Qazi and the Sultan के बारे में क्या सोचते हो? Few lines you can write it here. Okay. So meet you in the next video. Beta. Goodbye till then.